This drink will easily clean your lungs. Just drink it twice a day. Your lungs are vital organs, so it is essential to ensure they are performing at maximum capacity. When you clean your lungs, you will have more energy and protect yourselves from many illnesses and diseases. This is a homemade and perfectly natural drink that will easily clean your lungs and keep it healthy. This drink not only helps in cleaning your lungs, but also makes your immunity stronger and decrease the chance for many illnesses in the future. It also is effective to clean the lungs for people who have been smoking. The ingredients of this drink are available in your kitchen. Let's take a look at the benefits of them for your lungs first before moving to the preparation of the drink. The first ingredient is ginger. Ginger is effective to clean your lungs because it contains several chemical compounds that help the lungs function more effectively by eliminating pollutants from the air passage before they irritate the lungs. Moreover, ginger can even help in the treatment of lung cancer. A 2012 study published in the Anti-Cancer Agents in Medical Chemistry indicates the promising preventative effect of ginger extracts against lung cancer. The second ingredient is turmeric. The presence of a compound called curcumin in turmeric helps in cleansing your lungs naturally and helps in detoxification of your body, which further helps in strengthening your immunity. You can eat raw turmeric or use the powder form to make this drink to clean your lungs and keep disease at bay. The last ingredient is garlic. Many people do not like the taste of raw garlic, but its amazing health benefits for your lung will make you gulp it down without giving it a second thought. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which acts as a powerful antibiotic agent and helps overcome respiratory infections that clog your lungs and lead to breathlessness. It also helps reduce inflammation and reduce the risk of lung cancer. When mixed in specific proportion, these three ingredients will make an incredible drink to clean your lungs. This is what you need to prepare it. Firstly, you will need one small piece of ginger, about 5 grams, and cut them into slices. Next, prepare 400 grams peeled garlic and cut them in quarters. You mustn't skip this step because only when you cut, garlic releases nutrients that are beneficial to the cleansing of your lungs. Now, prepare a saucepan and pour 1 liter of water into it. Then add 400 grams of sugar, white or brown, and stir well. Put this saucepan on a stove and cook until boiling. When the water reaches its boiling point, add prepared ginger and garlic. Then add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Stir well and simmer for 5 minutes. After this time, remove from the heat and allow it to cool at room temperature. Then strain the liquid into a glass jar and store this drink in your fridge to use every day. Your natural lung cleansing drink is ready. Take 2 tablespoons of this drink twice daily, in the morning on an empty stomach and in the evening after your last meal. Repeat the process every day. Remember, every day continuously for about 28 days until it becomes a part of your natural habit. If you break the habit for even one day, you need to start the process all over again. Observe your body during this time and you will see positive changes. If you like this video, please share it on your social networking site. For more recipes, please subscribe to the channel.